I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I'm going to talk to you about the battery device that you can use with your BMC Luna G3 Auto CPAP machine to ensure that you get power throughout the night if there's a power outage in your home or if you like to go camping with the family. It's a great little device that you can use to ensure that you get power no matter what issue you face. This is the Pilot 24 Metastrong Portable Battery Pack that is a great accessory to use with your CPAP machine. It provides sufficient power throughout the night to your machine when you can't use your power at home. To charge the battery pack, simply take your power cord for the Luna G3 and plug it into your power socket, and then plug the opposite end into your battery pack. This will begin to charge your battery. To use the battery with your machine, take the DC cable and plug the yellow end into the battery. Take the opposite end and plug it into the power socket of your Luna G3. The battery pack will now power your CPAP machine. Unfortunately, the battery only lasts about 4 hours with your normal CPAP settings. To extend the battery life, go to your CPAP settings and turn the humidifier off. Remember to turn the humidifier back on once you begin to use home power again. And there you have it. The battery is a great little accessory to use with your Luna G3 if you need a portable power supply while you're out and about. I hope you found this video insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.